Hi everyone, just a quick message before I start my video. Quite a number of you have said there are audio quality issues, particularly when I use my camcorder. It has a built-in microphone and it's quite poor. Basically the solution is to buy a new camera, but a new camera is very expensive, so I've created a GoFundMe campaign. The link will be in the description. If you want to donate, cool. If not, don't worry. But I thought I'd let you know. Thanks, bye.
Hi everyone, it's another Posters Here video. I'm quite thankful that I can do Posters Here videos because they're quite easy to do. With committing to 2 videos a week, sometimes I struggle to get time to do it, or sometimes I struggle to get the ideas or whatever. Anyway, Posters Here video. So this is what I've got this week. Let's start with this, and I think I'll just zoom in. So these are, they look like transistors, but let's be sure. If I can open the thing, let's just take one out. Okay, I don't know if you can see, probably not. It says 2N3904, and I know what they are straight away. They are transistors, and they're NPN transistors. Just very, very weak ones for lightweight use. So they're transistors, and I don't remember buying those, but I've got 100 of them, and no doubt they were very cheap. We'll soon see. The next thing is, let's go for this. Now I think you all know what this is. This is a high-powered LED. And I can see there, in fact let me just take it out, these actually go up to 100 watts or something ridiculous like that. This particular one though is a low power, well I say low powered, reasonably low powered. And the reason I can tell is because you see all the spaces in between the rows of LEDs. On the 100 watt ones, they're more densely populated, so you'll have more rows. So I think this may be 25 watt or 50 watt. I'm not exactly sure. Either way, it'll be a cool thing. Yep, so a high powered LED. I think they're called cob LEDs, if I remember rightly. Chip on board, I think. Cob. Chip on board. If I remember rightly, we'll soon see anyway. Next thing, what have we got here? A kit. So what's this kit? It's quite a nice quality board. HV1. What's HV1? Let's see what it says here. There's a bit of a heat sink or whatever it is there. Tinned area. 33 or 1 watt. It's a switch, a capacitor, and 3 to 5 volts, 3 amps. Yeah, it's a very good quality board. What else have we got in here? A transformer or something. Plastic coated wires. What's that in there? There's a coil in there. Yeah, which it's some sort of transformer. What on earth is that? Wait, hang on. They're plastic coated. Oh, it stinks. So, I think this is an igniter. You know, like you get these little igniters and you click the button for like a gas hob or something, it goes and then a spark comes through here to light the gas oven or the hobs or whatever. I think this might be one of those. In other words, yeah, HV1 high voltage one maybe. Again, we'll see. The diode there. I think that might be a high, like a spark generator. I did one of those a few weeks ago if I remember rightly, but this one looks like it's a better quality one than that. Yep, so a high voltage generator I think. What's this? Oh, I know what these are straight away. I remember these. These are fact, let's open one first so I can show you properly. And that's a boost converter. Yeah, that's a boost converter. So we've got a Schottky diode, 220 microhenry, I think. A 100k potentiometer. Yeah, 10 and 4 zeros. That would be 100k, wouldn't it? 100k potentiometer, is that right? 100k potentiometer, a little chip there that I can't quite see the text on, and some capacitors. We've got the V in and V out. So you'd adjust this here to adjust the V out. And V in, I'm not exactly sure what V in would be, but as usual, we'll see. So that's a boost converter. And what else have we got? What is this? Let's take out this packaging to start with, actually. So what is this? Are there any clues on here? It looks like some sort of receiver. RCWL 9196. I wonder if this is a microwave, see, a sensor or something like that. Microwave sensor. What does it say here? 3.3 ground out. Ah, it's a sensor. Right, it's a sensor. V in, CDS. What's CDS? It's some sort of sensor. Strange. It's some sort of radio sensor, so I'm going to say microwave or something like that. It's a common thing, isn't it? Microwave sensor. So yeah, that's everything in this video.
Okay, let's have a look at these items. So the first one is 100 pieces transistor kit 2N3904 NPN general purpose new LCBC from PJS Parker, and it was 99p from China. 99p, so that's 1p for a transistor. That's pretty cheap. So general purpose in most cases, blah blah blah. So let's have a quick look at this. Oh, let's have a look at this one here. So what does it say? Emitter voltage 40 VDC, base voltage 60, emitter base 6. Collector current continuous 200 milliamps. Yeah, so it's a low power transistor. The next thing is DIY kit HV1 high voltage igniter kit arc ignition module suit DC 3 to 5 volts 3 amps BSG from smart_gogo, and it was £1.63 for one, presumably, from China. Let's have a look at this photo here. Yeah, let's go down and see what it says. It doesn't say a great deal, but it's just a short arc. Operating current less than 2.5 amps. 20,000 hertz, so that's 20,000 waves per second. Continuous operating time, that's how long you can keep the pulse, well, the arc going for. The arc length is 5mm. Oh, okay. There's an ignition switch, and then it's got a parts list. Okay, cool. So that's that item, £1.63. The next one is, here we go. High power 30 watts LED chip bulb lamp warm white DIY 2200 lumens 3000K F9G8. And that was £1.11p from Cliswell. £1.11p, that's quite cheap. Wow, that's even cheaper. But anyway, see what it says. Brand new and high quality, energy saving, high efficiency and durability. Best choice for miners, lamps, street lights, underbody lights, wall lamp, spotlight, DIY, blah blah blah. When the off of the switch turns on, when the lamp of the switch turns on, please use the same cooling system. What? Alright, anyway. Warm white, 3000K, 120 degrees. I think that's the angle at which the light emits from the chip or whatever it's called. Operating voltage, so I'd need to give it 32 to 35 volts, which I suppose is very high really. I wonder if I could get a boost converter to do that. An operating current 1 amp, yeah, so we're going to be struggling really. But I don't know, maybe I'll look into it in a future project. Luminous flux 2200 lumens, there's the size, and it says one or two other things. Okay, so £1.11p from Cliswell. The next thing is RCWL0516 Doppler radar sensor motion detector microwave module for Arduino NPMB from million asterisk billion, 99p. What's that? Blah 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 is a kind of microwave induction module which uses Doppler radar technology to detect the movement of objects. Ah. High sensitivity, long detecting distance, strong reliability, large induction angle, and wide range of power supply voltage. Widely used in various types of body induction lighting and anti-theft alarm and other occasions. So at 99p, million asterisk billion. So what's it saying here? Transmission signal, processing control chip. Transmission signal. So it's actually a, well, who knows. Wide operating voltage range, 4 to 28. Wow, that is wide. Compared with traditional infrared feeling PIR, something like infrared. I think a PIR sensor is a distance thing with the penetrating detection capability. So this is detecting if something's proximity, I think that is, proximity IR. Block time distance adjustable. Output 3.3 volts. We've already read that there. Well, that's very interesting. Detection distance 7 meters. Output voltage driving capacity 100 milliamps. That's quite a lot though for a little sensor. So let's see what it says. Ensure the sensing face in front of the gold without any shelter. Front of the gold. Front and rear sensing surface space to set aside more than 1 centimeter. The module carry a plane and install as flat line. It's too late to be reading this, I don't understand what it's saying. The component side of the module is positive sensing face. Oh yeah, it's too late for that. Look, it's 10:30. Right. Okay, well, that's something interesting for another video anyway. So, let's go back up to the top. 99p from million asterisk billion. And the last item is 5, 10, 15 pieces MT3608 DC to DC voltage step up adjustable boost converter module 2A, 2 amps, from Alglaya store. Alglaya store. £2.27. But how many did I buy? Let's have a look. 5 pieces. 5 pieces? I thought there was more than that in that packet. Maybe I did 10, no, I don't know, 5, whatever. So, let's have a look. The maximum output current is 2 amps. Well, I find that hard to believe. I think probably 1 amp. Although, to be fair, I haven't tested it, so I don't know. The input voltage 2 to 24 volts. Wow, that's quite good. The max. Oh, that in fact that's very good because that means we can use it for lithium. The maximum output voltage is 5 to 28 volts. So I can't power one of those LEDs. Oh well. Efficiency greater than 93%, which is pretty good. There's the size. You give us the reliance that we reward quality. You give us the reliance that we reward quality. What? Anyway, there's some photos. Yeah, so there we go. So that's everything for this video. Actually, I think the items have been pretty good in this video. I've enjoyed looking at them. Hopefully I'll be able to do videos in more depth soon though and look at them properly. Anyway, that's today's stuff, so I hope you enjoyed the video as usual, and thanks for watching. Bye!